Have you ever wished you had your own personal AI assistant to create stunning social media graphics, write eye-catching captions, and schedule content for you? Well, your wish has been granted in the form of an exciting new software that is taking the social media marketing world by storm. In this video, we'll explore the first few game-changing features of this viral sensation called Predis AI. One of the most powerful capabilities of Predis is its ability to automatically generate professional visual content tailored to your niche and brand. Simply provide a topic like top tips for small business marketing and customize options like media type and brand colors. Then click generate and prepare to be amazed. The integrated AI will instantly create on-brand graphics, images, videos, and carousels that are visually appealing and expertly designed for maximum social engagement. You'll get an endless variety of share-worthy visuals in seconds, without needing any technical skills or design experience. Predis makes graphic creation easy, even for total non-designers. You can upload logos and brand assets so the visuals utilize your own branding elements. There's also a built-in editor to modify colors, text, sizing, and other design components with just a few clicks, empowering users to create social eye candy at scale. Now it takes more than just great graphics to succeed on social media. You need compelling captions to intrigue viewers and drive the right actions. But constantly writing fresh, customized copy is draining for most business owners and marketers. Fortunately, Predis can automate caption writing too. Its advanced AI analyzes your business to generate relevant, on-brand captions tailored to complement your visuals flawlessly. The AI aims to save you hours of mental exertion spent crafting captions. And if you don't love what it writes, just regenerate another option with one click. It's like having a creative assistant generate unlimited caption ideas to pair with your stunning visuals. While the AI creates initial designs and copy, you retain full creative control to customize the generated content. You can also rewrite auto-generated captions to fit your brand voice. This ability to tailor computer-generated content to your specific needs gives you the best of both worlds: AI acceleration plus human refinement. Managing and scheduling social media posts across platforms is a huge headache for most businesses. Predis makes your life easier with an automated content calendar to plan and schedule unlimited posts in advance. Simply set dates and times for the AI-generated content to auto-publish to all your connected social profiles. This liberates you from manual posting so you can focus on other high-value tasks. Now let's look at the next set of amazing features that make this AI software so powerful for streamlining your marketing. Finding high-quality hashtags that actually help your content get discovered is hugely challenging. But Predis makes it easy through AI-powered hashtag suggestions. Just input some keywords related to your post topic, and Predis will instantly recommend relevant hashtags your audience is using. This removes the need for tedious manual research to find hashtags that resonate. The software analyzes your niche, brand, and caption text to generate hashtag ideas that are optimized for better reach, saving you time while connecting your post to more potential customers. As an example, for a post on digital marketing tips, Predis may suggest hashtags like digital marketing, online marketing, or social media tips. The AI accounts for spelling variations, popularity, and relevance to drive engagement. Success on social media requires an intimate understanding of what engages your audience. However, analyzing competitors' content performance can be difficult and time-consuming. This is where Predis really shines. It lets you benchmark against competitors by tracking their top-performing posts, hashtags, and channels. Just input the social media handles of key competitors. Predis will then provide actionable data on the type of content resonating best with your target audience. You can see what creative styles, captions, and hashtags your competitors are using effectively. These insights help refine your own social media strategy for optimal results. Here's an amazing crystal ball feature of Predis. It can actually predict how well your audience will react to a particular social media post before you publish it. The software analyzes your caption, hashtags, visuals, and more to estimate engagement levels. This helps you tailor content that aligns better with your followers' preferences. Rather than taking a shot in the dark, you can create data-driven content informed by AI analytics. See if your audience skews more towards educational posts versus promos, shorter videos versus longer ones, and so on. Predis reveals what resonates so you can deliver content your community wants to see, supercharging your engagement and reach. Monitoring brand mentions on social media is crucial but extremely time-consuming without automation. Predis makes it easy with AI-powered monitoring. It tracks your brand handles and keywords across all connected social channels. Whenever someone mentions you, Predis sends instant alerts so you can respond and engage quickly. Staying on top of social conversations and reacting promptly helps boost brand loyalty and satisfaction. Predis monitoring saves you hours of manual checking so you never miss relevant activity again. These powerful AI capabilities explain why Predis is creating so much buzz among social media marketers and entrepreneurs. It amplifies your creativity while saving huge amounts of time and effort. Next, we'll look at pricing options and explore some of the best Predis alternatives on the market right now. Predis offers access to its full suite of AI-powered social media marketing tools through flexible subscription plans. The Solo plan starts at just $25 per month, offering core features like content creation, scheduling, and monitoring. This is ideal for solopreneurs and smaller businesses. For larger needs, the starter plan provides more content and capabilities at $49 per month. Top-tier features like competitor benchmarking come with the agency plan at $126 per month. Annual subscriptions give you savings of around 2 free months. There's also no long-term lock-in, with transparent pricing and the ability to downgrade or cancel anytime. Compared to hiring content teams, designers, and tools individually, Predis provides immense value and savings. Its affordable pricing makes sophisticated AI accessible for businesses of all sizes. While Predis is relatively new, its viral growth shows the immense appetite for AI-driven social media solutions, but it's not the only option out there. Let's take a closer look at how Predis compares to some of the major alternatives in this space. Tools like Hootsuite, Sprout Social, and Buffer undoubtedly dominate the social media management space. However, these platforms focus more heavily on scheduling, analytics, and collaboration tools for teams rather than content creation. Predis fills a unique niche by combining robust management capabilities with advanced AI for content generation. For automated graphic creation specifically, top competitors include options like Canva and Adobe Express. Yet Predis sets itself apart by offering far more than just visuals. The addition of AI copywriting, post-scheduling, social monitoring, and competitor benchmarking makes it a much more comprehensive solution. When it comes to all-in-one social media tools, Sendable, Agorapulse, and Social Pilot are Predis' closest competitors. However, early reviews suggest Predis has a strong edge in terms of the sophistication, quality, and depth of its artificial intelligence capabilities for streamlining workflows. The alternatives definitely have merits in certain areas. However, Predis brings an unparalleled breadth of AI automation together in one unified platform. This gives it a unique advantage for amplifying social marketing efforts at scale. And Predis' rapid improvements based on user feedback ensure it stays ahead of the pack. That wraps up our in-depth look at Predis AI, the forward-thinking software that leverages AI to simplify social media marketing. From automated visuals, captions, and scheduling to performance analytics, Predis empowers you to reach your fullest social potential. And that's all for today. If you're excited about AI innovations and want to stay updated with the latest trends and insights, subscribe and turn on notifications. Remember, AI is not our enemy, but our ally, ushering us into a future of endless possibilities.